yung napili namin. Ang ganda ng kanilang ino-offer.
Yung all-in package nila.
Nahook kami sa mga freebies and sa pag-entertain sa amin ng staff nila. Maybe meant to be, na bigla siya nag-pop yun. Doon namin na-meet yung Kairos sa FB.
The happiest couple pay more attention to what they put in and less attention to what they get back. In the end, the giving and getting become one and the same.
And very honored to be your host for today's grand lunch and grand food tasting of Kairos event specialist. What is the most important thing na napulot mo sa sinabi ni Miss Benz on how to stay happily married?
You have to learn how to compromise para ma-balance yung opposite tendencies.
You focus with the happiness, no? Happiness that I found the one whom my soul loves. Happiness that you have your family, you have your friends with you on your wedding day. Happiness that you are finally getting married.
I would not be here if not because of the trust and confidence reposed upon me by my partner, Lorraine Villarosa. And seeing how passionate she is in putting up every event and making sure that in Kairos, we seize the moment.
Actually, I only prayed for a flower, but God gave me and prepared me a whole garden, not only for me, but for all of us.
To the further success of Kairos and to a happily ever after to all of our soon-to-weds. Cheers! The happiness of one wedded couple is in your hands.
Sinecure talaga namin na kayo na yung i-book namin.
Enjoy your stay in Bali, Indonesia.
Sometimes the process is painful and hard, pero di ba, pag sigat na yung kumilos, yung mga hindi mo na-expect, mangyayari. So here we are today.